Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So children, in our previous class we have learned that difference between animals and human beings, right? And some features of human beings. Now continue our class. Take out page number 156 in your science readers. Now see here. In our previous class we have learned that human beings can speak in many languages, right? Animals also make themselves understood in some ways. They too communicate. Okay, so see the next point. Whales produce many different noises to indicate different things, right? Whales can produce many different type of noises. So some animals make a whistling sound also. Even some animals can make the sound as whistling. Bees do a kind of dance to inform other bees where in which directions. Bees can do a kind of dance to indicate their friends where they are, in what form and how much nectar or juice is available. Once again, bees do a kind of dance to inform other bees where in which direction, in what form and how much nectar or juice is available. See, the blue whale is the biggest animal on the earth, right? Blue whale is the biggest animal on the earth. And the blue whale produces a deafening booming sound that is louder than the sound of the heavy gunfire. See, this blue whale can produce a sound like deafening or booming sound that is too louder. It is too louder than the sound of the heavy gunfire. See, these are the bees, honey bees. They are making the sound to inform them in which direction they are, in what form and how much nectar or juice is available. Okay. The language of humans, the language of human beings, both written as well as spoken, right? We can speak also, we can write also, are very well developed. There are thousands of languages spoken in the world and the thousands of words in each language. Yes, we all know that there are thousands of languages spoken in this whole world, right? And many thousands of words are there in each languages. Around the world, some 70,000 distinct languages are spoken today. See, nowadays there are 70,000 distinct languages are spoken in today's. See the next point. Human beings have a more developed brain, right? We can do many things with the help of our brain. We have the more developed brain than animals, right? They can think, reason out, do many things that animals cannot do. Means we can do many things, many works. We can think, we can do, try, do, and many things we can done. But the animals cannot. Okay. Though human beings have the most advanced brain, even newborn babies are among the most helpless and have the longest infancy. Infancy means the early stage in the development of the baby. Okay, so they have to be taken care of for a long time. Means the newborn babies, they are helpless. Means they can't do their work by their own self, right? Means they need their mother to take care of her. So they have to be take care of for a long time. Means their mother should take care of her child for a long time. Then after some time, then the baby can do their work by themselves. Okay. See, here we have the picture like this is mother and this is the baby. Mother with their baby. Okay. Thank you.